Hello friends, today we are here to discuss the trading plan for Nifty 50 on August 16, 2024. Currently, the Nifty index is trading around 24,143.75. Now, if the market manages to hold above the 24,300 level, it would be a good opportunity for you to take a buy position. In this case, your target should be set at 24,500 and 24,600. These levels indicate potential gains for your trades. However, if Nifty drops below the 24,000 mark, it would be wise to consider selling instead. In this scenario, your targets should be set at 23,800 and 23,600. These levels indicate potential profit opportunities for your trades. But remember, it is crucial to always set a proper stop loss to protect your investments. Also, keep a close eye on the volume, as it can provide valuable insights into market trends and trading opportunities. To stay updated with more trading tips and important updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We strive to provide you with valuable information that can enhance your trading strategies.
Thank you for joining us today.
And good luck with your trades.